So today we proudly announced the launch of Galaxy Tab S. These are the Super AMOLED display tablets which we have launched. Our key proposition for consumer is that we are offering the best entertainment device that is available in the market today. Our tagline says vision redefined. So what it means for a consumer, please have a look at these tablets. These are available at 10.5 and 8.4. I am very sure you have never seen such kind of a fantastic display ever on a tablet. Bring any device of your choice and you can have the comparison. You can see the difference in the contrast ratio, in the resolution, in the color spread. So it actually is able to, this product is able to give 94% accurate colors reproduction, which is very unique and very different from the other devices which exist in the market. So today we have introduced this product. These products will be available from mid of July. Two models, as I said, 10.5 and 8.4, available in two colors, titanium bronze and the silver color and the white color, I'm sorry. So we are expecting consumers to feel the product, to see the device and discover a new way of using their tablets.
Unique smartphone makers like Lava, Micromax, or Video. Do you find any tough competition from the
See, we have a lot of competitors in the market, and of course it is good to have competition. But we feel that the product proposition that we are having, the kind of quality products that we are launching, consumers find definitely much more value than that being offered from our competitors. And this is reflected in the market share. So in India, Samsung tablets command more than half the market size as market share as we saw today in the presentation. So we are very confident that with our competitive lineup, with our much better proposition, much better look and feel, and the display quality that we are harping on, I mean, consumers will definitely continue to choose and patronize Samsung. Yes.
Will it affect the market of Tab S?
So, Tab S is focused towards the entertainment part of tablet usage. We have other lineups. Other lineups, when I mention, is we have a tablet which is called as Tab 4, which is available in three sizes again, 7-inch, 8-inch and 10-inch, which are basically in the mid and entry level price segment. And definitely we have another product series which is called Note 2014. That is another set of tablets that we have, which is having a note feature, which offers the capability of writing on the screen, which is very unique, again a proprietary technology of Samsung. So what we feel, customers in the market are looking for different solutions. So if a customer is looking for an entertainment-led product, if he wants to watch more of videos, if you want to watch movies, if you want to consume more data which is more visual, then Tab S is the right product for him or her. Then coming to Tab 4, there is a different proposition that we have. So what we feel, they are totally different segments. The customer profile, the use case scenario are totally different. And Tab S is focused on entertainment unlimited. That is the proposition that we want to communicate. This product will be available across all channels. We have a huge channel presence in India. There are multiple formats. So we expect this product to be available across. We don't have any separate channel strategy for this.
For latest news and reviews of gadgets and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.